Hello guys and welcome to Wissenschaft. So today we will be learning how to install a new library in the Arduino IDE. So I came across this problem when I was dealing with my 3D printer, and my 3D printer had the full graphic LCD. So I needed to install the U8GLIB library for that. So earlier it was a very complicated and long process. We had to download a zip and then include it. But now they have made it very easy. So we'll just have to go to Sketch, then include library, manage libraries. You can also use the shortcut Control Shift I. So here you are in the library manager. Here you will get 90% of the libraries which you will ever need. So I needed the U8GLIB library. So you can just type it in here and you will be getting all the libraries. Then you can install the latest version of the library. So I have the 2.3.4. Install it here. And guys, that's it. We are done. Thank you for watching.